Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to our math video. Today is Thursday, October the 8th. And let's get started. You need your math meeting sheet, your October calendar, and your October weather graph. So go ahead and put pause if you need to go get those things. Great. Now that you're back and you have those things, let's get started. Today is the last day for our math meeting sheet. It is October 8th. Make sure to start at the 2. October 8th, 2020. There are blank more days until November. Let's go ahead and check. Today is the 8th. You never start on this day. We always start on the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. There are 24 more days until November. My goodness, time is going by very fast. Let's go ahead and get our pattern for today. Go ahead and fill that out. Okay, put pause if you need more time. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and fill it out. So we can see that our pattern has odd numbers and a triangle. So let's try to see if the pattern is odd numbers. Maybe it's not. Let's verify and check, double check that it's odds. I think it is, but let's double check. 1, 3, 5. Yes, I think that is odd. So let's continue the pattern. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Good. And then what's the other pattern? I think it's just triangles. Triangle, 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 triangle. Let's draw our triangles. There we go. Good job. We are not doing money today. Today it is about 10:50 a.m. and we will pray the Angelus. Can you see that? Pray the Angelus at noon, 12 p.m. And our number sentences for today's number are 4 plus 9 equals 13. 4 plus 10 equals 14. And 4 plus 11 equals, that's right, 15. Go ahead and put pause if you need more time filling this out. Good. Fill out our clock for the last time. 12, start up here, 6 at the bottom, 3 on the side, and 9 on the left. Fill it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's fill out our seconds. 0, 0, 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. I said it was 10:50. So I see the 50 right here. It's the minute hand. So I'm going to have my long one point to the 50 And it's also 10, so my little hand's gonna be pointing to the 10. Okay, 10:50 a.m. Good job. Go ahead and put pause if you need a little bit more time filling that out. Okay, now that you are done. Okay, now that we are done, take out your weather graph. Today is gonna be another cool day. It's just been cool, cool, cool. Sorry, it's not gonna be a cool day. It's gonna be a warm day. Color that in. Once you're done, put that away. We'll begin. Okay, let's begin. Hope you put all of your things away. I'm still getting her things away. You are gonna need this piece of paper. It is under Thursday, October 8th in your binder. So go get that. Put pause if you need to put pause. And let's get started. Okay, let's look at this sheet of paper. We're gonna color it so that way it's a little bit fun for you guys and we can get a little bit of creative coloring. But let's get our crayons out. And you can pick whatever color you want for all these shapes. Just make sure that they're different colors. The purple one I'm gonna use for my square. Now, because I'm trying to make this video short, I don't want it to be too long. Miss Santana is not gonna take time making it the best that she can with coloring. I'm just gonna shade it in quickly, like this. But at home, I want you guys to take your time and color it neatly. But because I want to keep this video short, again, it's just going to be quick coloring. Okay. Then my circle is going to be orange. So go ahead and color yours. You can go ahead and start coloring with me as I'm coloring it, but take your time. When I am done coloring all my shapes, if you need to put pause to continue coloring, you can do that too. Okay, and then I'm going to pick green for my rectangle. Okay. There we go. I'm going to pick red for my goodness, I'm going to pick red, but I don't think my red crayon is anywhere to be found. So Miss Santana's just going to have to go with blue for this triangle. Okay, Miss Santana is not coloring in her best manners. I'm going to use yellow for my heart. Okay, so there's my sheet of paper. Put pause, because I know you still need time coloring. So go ahead and put pause so that you have more time to color this sheet of paper. Okay, once you are done, put pause right now and finish coloring it. Okay, now that you're back and that everything is finished and colored, we're gonna cut these out. Be very careful when you cut these because we want them to be the same shape that I gave you. I don't want my square to become a different shape. So just be sure that you're cutting them correctly. My square right there. And then you're just gonna cut them all. I'm gonna cut them, all of your shapes, until they are all cut from this page. Okay. So here's my rectangle. I need my square, or my circle, rather. Careful with the circle, because that one gets tricky. Here's my circle. I have a triangle over here. Okay. Go ahead and start cutting yours. And if you need more time at the end after this, you can go ahead and click pause. This distance learning makes it a little bit more easier when we need to take our time, right? Okay, so now I have all of my shapes here. Put pause and go ahead and finish cutting your shapes. Okay, now that you're back, today we're going to talk about something called symmetry. Can you say that with me? Symmetry. Good. And normally, right now, we would be getting ready to go to the ballet. We would go see the Nutcracker in December. But we might be able to do a field trip via Zoom, so we might be able to do that. But we're talking about symmetry today. And symmetry is when you can fold two things, or you can mirror two things, one thing, and it will be the same on the other side. So today we're going to divide, we're going to cut a shape in half and see if it's symmetrical. So I'm going to grab my rectangle. Do you think this is symmetrical? I think it's going to be symmetrical. So I'm going to cut it. I'm not going to cut it. I'm going to fold it. And are the two sides the same? Yes, the two sides are the same. So I can fold my rectangle in half. What about my square? Can I cut this in half so that it can be symmetrical, so it can be the same on the other side? Yep, I'm gonna fold it in half. So go ahead and fold that. Open it up. And is it the same? Yeah. So draw a line down the middle. Now what about our circle? Where do we draw the line for our circle? Well, I think we can just fold it in half. Now, Miss Santana did not cut it. Do you see how there's some orange? But generally speaking, this circle is symmetrical. Okay? This heart, we're gonna fold it in half. We wouldn't do this, would we, boys and girls? Is this symmetrical? No. Is this side the same as this side? No. So we need to cut it, or we need to fold it the other way. Is that symmetrical? Yes. Good. What about this triangle? Would we fold it this way? No, that's not symmetrical. We would fold it the other way, like this. And then we would draw a line in the middle because these two sides would be the same. Okay, boys and girls, go ahead and finish making your shapes. drawing that line in the middle so that you know where the line of symmetry is, and cutting your shapes in half. Don't forget today that you have your 100 numbers chart. So go ahead and fill that out today, and you have your math meeting sheet, okay? You have, sorry, not your math meeting sheet, your math worksheet. You have this math worksheet, and then on the back you have your math facts, okay? Go ahead and get those done today. God bless you all. Totus tuus, Maria.